Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we'll be unboxing a brand new smartphone from Oppo called the A7. So let's quickly unwrap this and see what we get inside. Okay, so here is the box of the Oppo A7. Pretty simple packaging. We have the full picture of the phone in the front and some messaging on the sides which says it's the official sponsor of the Indian cricket team. So let's quickly rip open this shrink wrapping and see what we get inside. Okay, so first and foremost we have SIM eject tool. We have a case. There is a quick start guide and some important information guide. Just place this aside for now. Okay, so this is the Oppo A7. Let's quickly wrap this. Pretty interesting finish for the back over here. We'll take a closer look at this in just a bit. We just boot this up and keep it here. Furthermore, in the box we have not much actually. There's just a 10-watt power adapter, and we have the micro USB cable, and that's pretty much it. There's no headphones or anything else in the box. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the brand new Oppo A7. So up in the front, as you can see, dominating the phone is the 6.2-inch HD Plus display. The resolution bit is slightly disappointing considering its price point. We would have expected a full HD display, but we have an HD Plus display. Up on the top there is this new dewdrop or water drop style notch, so you have a lot of space on either side of the notch, which is nice. There is a bit of a chin at the bottom of the phone, and the sides aren't very slim either. There is quite a bit of a bezel which you can't really see because of the screen guard, but overall it looks okay from the front. Coming to the sides, onto the left we have the two volume buttons. We have a SIM tray here which we will just pop out and see what sort of a configuration we have. So the A7 has dual nano SIMs, and you have a dedicated slot for a micro SD card to expand the internal storage. Okay, so let's pop that back in. Over to the right we have the single power button, which falls in place nicely when you hold it like this. Up on the top we don't have anything. So down at the bottom we have the mono speaker. There is a micro USB port. We have some microphone holes, and we have 3.5mm headphone socket. Now the earpiece is obviously hidden just above the front camera in the front. This is a 16-megapixel front-facing camera, and let's take a quick look at the back. So this is where it gets a little interesting. The A7 uses, this is the glaring gold version that Oppo calls it, and it's actually a laminated back with a texture underneath, so you can't exactly feel these stripe pattern over here, but it looks pretty interesting, and it should turn a few heads when you're using it. There is a fingerprint sensor in the middle of the phone. You have some Oppo branding, and finally you have a dual camera setup. So this is a 13-megapixel plus a 2-megapixel sensors over here, and we also have an LED flash at the side. Now as for software, this being an Oppo phone, it is running on ColorOS. So this one is ColorOS 5.2, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. And a quick look into the settings app reveals that it is actually also running a very recent November 5th security patch, which is always good to see, so thumbs up for that. So powering the Oppo A7 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC. This is an octa-core chip, but it's their, the lower powered chip. It's not the 600 series, which we typically see in this price segment. You also get 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, which is nice. And last but not least, the phone is backed by a 4230 mAh battery, which should easily give us an entire work day's worth of battery life, if not a lot more. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll be sure to bring you the full review very soon. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.